Okay, so very good evening, my all dear friends from my wonderful country, Bharat. And we all are here with a crystal clear reason, crystal clear purpose. We all want to improve our English. And that's why we arrange different topics to practice our English. And today we have a wonderful anchor, Alok Jaina. So I request Alok Jaina to hand over this program. So to handle this program, sorry. So Alok Jaina, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And I have already sent you the planning, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So good luck, Alok Jaina. Start.
Okay, sir. I extended my warmest welcome to each and everyone who invited our professor shows. Uh, invited our professor Zoom meeting. Let's talk in English with the non-native English speakers. So first of all, uh, I would like to invite Akbar Alam to give the welcome speech. Akbar Alam.
Thank. Good evening, all of you. Are you listening me?
Yeah, very good evening. Very good evening.
Warm welcome, all of you. We are here to improve our English as well as communication skill, and that is couldn't be possible without a precious time that is sir is giving here, and nothing is impossible when you will give a target on self. Practice every day. I think practice makes man perfectionist, and yes, we are we are we are here to. I think this formula can be used also in our English, in English, to improve my English, because when we are practice every day to and learn something every day, then I think you will become a perfectionist one day. And today topic is, I think, importance of time. That's I know. I also understand time is very important. That's why uh, I request. I know time is important. That's why I want to go ahead without any further late. I will hand it over to Alok Jana to start the meeting. Are you ready, sir?
Yes.
Uh, Also, uh, I want to give us some. I think after this session, I want to request to all of us. When the sir we when sir we uploaded the video on YouTube, then I request to all, give them good wishes what he want, because he provide us a good platform to uh, improve, to help. I think he will help me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's start.
Thank you very much, Akbar Alam. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Akbar Alam. So, sir, now I'd like to request Vijay Kumar for give the speech about the time and time management, importance of time and time management.
So is he available?
Vijay Kumar?
No, he's not available. Yeah, next.
Okay. So then I'd like to invite Subhasri to give the speech about the importance time and importance of time and time management. Subhasri?
Yes, I am here. Am I audible?
No, little
Yes,
bit
yes.
problem with your audio.
Am
Yeah, network problem. I
I
think.
audible?
Yes, now you are audible, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay.
Network problem. And your voice is not clear.
Not getting your voice, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah.
Your
Hello?
voice is not audible, madam.
Yeah, Subhasri, there is a problem with your network now. So we will invite you after some time. Okay. Now you can invite next. I have already sent you some.
Okay.
Yeah, look, Jaina, I have
Okay,
already
sir.
sent you names, so you
That's
can
fine.
invite.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Kevor to give the speech about the importance of time and time management.
Okay, thank you for giving me chance, first of all. And today's our topic is time and time management. So I would like my speech by first time. What is time? Time. There is time is familiar to everyone of us, but when it's come to define or understand, it bit hard for us. Science, philosophy, art, or a religion have different definitions about time. But physicists take time as a progress of events from past to present into the future. Time is something that we can't touch or we can't touch or see, but we can measure by its passage. And this is all about time. But second point is time management. So we all got 24 hours in a day, but how we utilize that 24 hours, it's called time management. So how we use 24 hours to achieve our goal, that for that you have to manage your time. So like if you want to succeed in your life, you have to manage your time. You you have to like you have to uh, uh, you have to chalk out how you are dealing with your every second, minute, hour, days, and your month to manage all the time to get your goal. And the second one is never postpone your work, because only present in our hand. We don't have a future in our hand. We can work on only our present. So always utilize your hello.
Yes, you are
Yes,
audible.
yes, yes.
Always, always manage your time. So uh, postponement and laziness are the ropes which strangle the time, and thus time can create us and time can destroy us. So utilize your time very accurately to make your future bright. Last, I want to conclude my speech by a quote like, time and tide waits for none. Thank you.
Okay, wonderful.
Thank you, Kev.
Okay, excuse me, Alok Jaina.
So-
Today we have
Yes.
different judges. Okay, you can also
Okay.
add Rajkumar as a judge today, and Gurbachan Singh, Nageshwar Rao, and Kalpana Madam is also here. Are you here,
Okay.
Kalpana Madam? No. Yeah. So
Yes,
these are four anchors or four judges. So one by one you can invite for other speech. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, Kevin. So now I would like to invite Gurbachan Singh to give the feedback speech about theory.
Yeah, okay, sir. He speaks very simply and he explains what is the importance of time. And if we understand the importance of time, then maybe we have no any problem in our life. So his speech is very good and I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Gurbachan Singh ji.
Yeah.
Now I would like to invite Popia Tripura to give the speech about the importance of time and time management.
Yes. So today's topic is all about time and time management. So we all know that time is so important for all of us. So as the time is important, so we all should manage our time and we should be careful about how we will spend our time in productive way. So I think today I am going to tell about some ways that we can manage our time. So I think we all should make an to-do list for every day, that in the morning that we can spend our time whole day in a productive way, so that we can start with a to-do list, and we should write the first most important things in the first, uh, we should maintain that in sequence. So that was the first strategy, and the second is that we all know to make an to-do list, but the problem is that we don't follow the to-do list. So I think that is the main problem. So I think we all should follow the to-do list. And the second most important thing that I want to mention, that we don't waste our time, because there are so many distraction in our life, in social distraction, like in many things we have. So I think we should manage how to we spend our time. So I want to say that each and everyone has same time, but the difference is that how should we will manage and how we will manage our time. So that is the difference. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Popia Tripura, for your great speech. So now I'd like to invite Anuj
Hello, sir.
to
Am I
give
audible
the
now?
feedback speech.
Yeah.
Now I would like to invite Kalpana Madam to give the feedback speech.
Okay, thank you for an opportunity. Papia, you have categorized the works to do and given steps for time management. That's really great and great ideas and great speech. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Hello,
Now
Alok.
would
I
like-
want to say now.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Subhasri, yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Good evening, all. Because I am from Bhubaneswar, today is Holy Rath Yatra. Before starting my presentation, I want to wish all of you have a happy Yatra. May God, Lord Jagannath, bless you all.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So today topic is thank you. So today topic is time and time management. Time is the precious asset of our life that is limited for all. Nobody can stop the time. As we know, time and tide wait for none. Here is a powerful message we have. Time itself works day and night, 24 hours, 30 days and year without getting any tired, without getting any complaint, I can say, and without getting any I can say hesitation. Time does its work. So now I'm coming to the management. Different people differently manage their time. Personally, I would suggest we should schedule our day to manage the time, and we should do our work in without delay in priority basis. So third and last one I would like to share, um, we have no we can't control our past and future, but our present is in our hand. We utilize our time in a constructive way, I can say. And even time is giving us three powerful messages: message of equality, message of hard working, and message of commitment. So we have to understand it, and we have to follow it. Thank you.
Great, wonderful. Yeah, Alok Jena.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you, Subhasri. So now I would like to invite Geeta Madam to give the speech about time and time management.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
A very good morning to sir and all. Today's topic is time and time management. It seems that there is never enough time in the day, but we have all get the same 24 hours. Why is it that some people achieve so much more with their time than others? The answer lies in good time management. Time management is planning and organizing how to divide our time in specific activities. It enables us to work smarter, not harder, so that we get more done in less time, even though time is tight and pressure are high. Now I remember one proverb: time and tide wait for none. Time is very precious. Past time never get back. So we should manage our time beneficiary in our day-to-day life. That's all. That's all.
Wonderful, wonderful. Yeah, Alok Jena.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Geeta Madam. So now I'd like to invite.
Your audio is off. Alok Jena, your audio is off. Turn on your audio. Yeah.
Please, Anuj Delhi, please give the feedback, please, about the Geeta Madam. Anuj. Hello? Anuj?
Anuj is not here. Nageshwar Rao.
Sir, I'm
Okay.
I think he's here.
Yes.
Nageshwar Rao.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Geeta ma'am spoke well, and how time is important. She simply spoke about some with some quotations. That's all very nice, sir. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Nageshwar ji. So now
Sir,
I'd
can
like
I
to put
speak?
this on.
Yeah,
Can I
madam,
speak?
you are today as a speaker. After two speakers, you will get a chance as a speaker. I have already sent you a message to Alok Jena. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, madam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just I want to give feedback for Geeta madam.
Yeah,
That's why.
definitely. Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. I would like to appreciate Mrs. Geeta for her wonderful speech. Now, she gave her speech uh, through a phrase, time and idiom, through a idiom, and now she become very fluent in English. I think, sir. Thank you very much. Thank,
Thank you, madam.
I appreciate her well, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. So now I would like to invite Kuntal to give the speech about time and time management.
Good evening, all of you.
Very good evening.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for giving me a chance, sir. I'm new on this platform, but I'm student of Prakash sir from beginning of sir's teaching period. In my opinion, everyone's time is priceless. Everyone should learn to manage time. There is ample benefit for time management. Time management has become very important in today's fast-paced world. As well as we all know, time and tide wait for none. In every field, whether you are student or employer, time management is important for once. If we talk about importance of time in student life, if students get to know advantage of how to manage time from early stage, it is more beneficial for them. They can do schoolwork and assignment easily. They become punctualized. For employers, it reduces stress and anxiety from their work. It also improves quality of life and also improve performance. Furthermore, improve career opportunities and increase confidence of their work. Everyone should plan their time in advance. I am inspired from Prakash sir's time management. Though he is government employee, he divided his time for us for giving best and quality work effectively. He make a video from his busy schedule and post it on free on YouTube for us. This is the best example of utilization of time management. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So let me tell you,
Thank
when
you.
Alok Jaina, when Kuntal was in 8th standard, I became a teacher in his village, and first time I saw him.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when he was in 8th standard, now he has completed his graduation and everything, and his most of relatives live in USA. Kuntal is also trying to go to USA. His all relatives live in
Wow.
USA. That's why.
All the best.
All the best to
That's
him.
nice.
sir.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Kuntal, thank you. So now I'd like to invite Kalpana ma'am to give the feedback speech.
Hello. Kuntal, first of all, I would like to say you are the lucky person that you have did education with sir, and all the best
Thank you, ma'am.
for your bright future. You have talked very nice. We should plan in advance because you are followers of Prakash sir students, so nothing to say anything, but you are
Yes, sir.
really lucky one. Nice speech. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kalpana ma'am. So now I would like to invite Lakshmi Assam to give the speech about the time and time management.
Yes, thank you for giving me the opportunity. Good evening, everyone. So today Prakash sir has given us a very serious topic, and it is very important topic for us, especially for the students. First of all, I want to give the definition of time management. So time management refers to the way that you organize and plan how long you spend on specific activities. Time management has a great importance in our life, and I think we all should plan to complete our works, studies, any activity within a specific time. Then we will able to do more things within less time, and it will be possible for us to complete our task within a minimum time. And if we don't plan how much time we will spend on that specific work, then it can take more time than it is really needed to finish that work. And accept this significance or importance of managing time, we have some other advantages also, like managing time provide a better quality of work. Next one is it decreases stress and anxiety, and it by managing time we can get more time for leisure. And we all know that it is very important to spend time on our extracurricular activities. So if we manage our time properly, then we can save our time, and then we can use that time on our extracurricular activities and also on our enjoyment. So that is all I want to say. Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshmi Bora. So now I'd like to invite Santa Madam to give the feedback speech.
Okay, sir. I would like to appreciate for her valuable speech. I appreciate Lakshmi because she gave important words about time. It's very precious and should manage the time. Otherwise, we will have. If we didn't manage the time, we can't do any good things or anything in our life. Like that, she gave speech. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the feedback speech.
Thank you, ma'am. Life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of time. So we should respect our time, and we should do in the bounded of time limit. Sir, I didn't get any name to invite the speech.
Okay, I have already written. Next is Shanta Madam, then Nageshwar Rao. So now you can invite Nageshwar Rao first as a speaker.
Okay. So now I'd like to invite the Nageshwar Rao to give the speech about time and time management.
Yes. Thank you, Alok. So today's topic is audible.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yes, audible.
Yeah, today's topic is very important because when we have a proper time management, we will definitely get success. So the four things we can't get back. That is a stone after it's thrown, and a word after it's said, and
Sir, you are not audible.
Yeah, there is a problem with your network. Okay, now, yeah.
The book, The 7 Habits of High writer Stephen R. Covey said. So, how to manage our time? There are one tip for that. Put first things first. First, we have to prioritize the things what we do. Number one is urgent and important. We have to do the first what are urgent and what are important. That is the first thing. And the second is that urgent, not important. These things are urgent but not important. Like someone come to us and say and do that and do this. So we have to just smoothly reject it. These things. And
Okay, still he has a problem, something, okay. Yeah, you can invite next speaker now.
hello.
Yeah, Nageshwar Rao.
Okay. Yes, the third thing is that not urgent but important. These are our things, our health, our relationships. The third thing, we have to give a priority to. And fourth thing is that not urgent, not important. Like social media, we have spent time on social media and TV. These are not important. So we have to prioritize our time and plan, and we should follow the time. Time doesn't follow us. This is the thing. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so now I want to give the feedback speech for Nageshwar Rao. Okay, I'm very impressed with Nageshwar Rao. He's a wonderful teacher. He's a very punctual person. You have been, I think you all have observed on our platform. He works as a judge, but today we have given him a chance to speak as a speaker. Then he has really done his speech nicely, perfectly. Only there was one problem with his network. It happens all time with him. So very nice speech.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing I want to announce in advance. Okay, one thing I want to announce in advance. Okay, 1 or 2 topics left in our self-development programs. Most of topics we have covered. Tomorrow maybe we will talk about attitude or self-esteem. Okay. And very
Okay, sir.
soon
Okay.
we
Okay,
are
sir.
going to start learning English on this platform. Not only discussion, but we are going to learn vocabulary, international structures of speaking, then public speaking of Dale Carnegie, and rules of TEDx, how to make an effective speech.
Public speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is my next plan. After 2 days, we are going to start.
Yeah, wonderful plan.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice.
Definitely, you are going to
Fantastic.
enjoy a lot.
Really nice. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Ahead, sir.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yeah, Lakshmi. Yeah, Papia is.
Sir, in every session, yes, Lakshmi.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In every session, we share our ideas, but I want to hear your ideas also because I know you study a lot. You read many books, so I think you have more experience and good ideas on these topics.
Okay. You are talking about
Yeah,
time
sir
and
is telling
management.
regularly.
Okay, definitely I will tell. But first of all, I want my speakers to speak because they have come here to practice their English. Okay.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah, thank you very much, Lakshmi, for inviting me to speak. But I will tell after that, okay? Because we have so many speakers today, I can understand your feeling. You want to know more about me, but in one sentence, I can say, my wife has a to-do list. My daughter is in the 5th standard, but she has also a to-do list. So you know the time importance. What is the importance of time in my family?
Yes,
And I
sir.
always
Sir, I
carry a
also
diary
agree with
me.
Lakshmi.
Yeah. Yeah, so I will come to you. Okay, I will come to talk about this speech in the next session.
Yes, sir.
Second session, I will make a speech on time because I have made
Okay,
many
thank you,
times
sir.
this type of speech in different colleges and schools also. Yeah.
Yes, sir, because
Next
your
time also,
experience is more valuable and you can teach us very good lesson about time or
Yeah.
anything.
Definitely,
Yes,
in
sir.
the
We
second
will.
session, I will speak a lot on this topic. Okay.
We
He
want.
inspires us a lot.
Experience. Yes,
We
sir.
inspire
Sir,
from that also.
Yeah.
sir, actually, we want every day a speech in every topic. From you. Your talk. Yes, sir. Yes, From you. sir. I also Including talking. all speaker, we want a special topic of yours, sir.
Okay.
That much
Definitely.
time
And
is not there, I think.
after 2 days, I'm going to speak a lot. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because I'm going to teach
Okay.
lots of.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Hello,
you.
sir. I'm Kiriti Barai.
I
I want to say something.
Yeah. Kirti Barai. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I want to say something. I'm from Kolkata. Actually, I am very happy to join with you. Actually, I have completed my 12th standard before 10 years. After that, I took my admission in college for graduation degree. But after completing second year and first year in chemistry honors, I dropped out from it. Okay. So after that, I'm doing a network business. Even now, I'm doing a network business. So after that, whenever I go here and there, I visit Northeast zone. I'm from Kolkata, and I also visit in Uttar Pradesh and also Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh. And whenever I go here and there, I have to talk with other people, various type of people. I face various type of people, and so many people are talking with us in English. But I'm very poor in English, so always I try to develop my speaking power. But for this matter, always I follow in YouTube. There are so many speakers in YouTube. But whenever I watch it, so whenever I watch it, they're talking, and they always advise you have to talk, you have to talk. But I also always try to talk with others people. But there are so many people I'm talking with them that, but they are not interested. But at the same time, after some times, I'm during the lockdown period. One day I was watching YouTube videos. Suddenly, I have seen you, and you are talking with a German lady. Okay, you are talking with her. Sorry, and she was sharing some about their area, and you always again and again. Matlab, you are like a interviewer. So suddenly I inspired inspired to you, and I think so I will connect with you regularly. I used to watch your video. So after that, yesterday I have seen your video. You are doing a conferencing video call. So um, I I message you on YouTube, and instantly, promptly you feedback me, and you told me send an email. Instantly I send a mail to you, and you after late night 12:44 to give me feedback, and you give me the link. Today I'm really very happy, and you have today's topic is time management. Actually, time management. There is a saying that is in time save 9. Yeah, so it is a very wonderful topic, and I have learned that time is more precious than diamond, and we cannot save time like money. I can save money in bank, but we can't save time. But so we have to use the all second, and I have listened Lakshmi, and I have listened so many speakers. I'm really very proud today, and you are very humble, sir. I salute you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And
sir.
you are very clever. Okay, suddenly you got a chance and you explain everything. You are very clever. Just I would have this is called the communication skill.
Thank you.
Because he has traveled a lot, he knows how to start and how to end. Wow. So we have not enough time. So we have second session. Okay, time is running out. We have less than 1 minute. So new speaker, you don't